Hello, it's Mr. Hilgendorf, and I'm here to show you how to navigate the Student Virtual Backpack for the district. This is a really handy tool. There's the link to it. It's a really handy tool for students to be able to find information about technology that they may need to access in the course of your learning. So there we go. These are the main tools that are in there now. It keeps growing, but if you need to learn something about the Chromebook, your Chromebook isn't working, or you're banging your head against the wall because the Chromebook is not functioning the way you'd like, click on Chromebook and see what you can find in there. That's true for Schoology things, G Suite, which is Google Drive, all of these different apps, Google Slides, your Gmail through School, which is your apps account, Google Meet, and then there's a specific one over here for Google Meet. So if you just click on one of the logos, you can also click on the words down below. It gives you an overview of what that topic is. And then some of the most important topics are at the top. So for example, Google Drive assignments here, reordering courses, and just click on the play button and you'll see what the video is of that item. Sometimes there may be written instructions as well. So that's the basically how you access the Virtual Student Backpack.